Hello, people. Hello. We are in Southwest Florida. So if you want to get, I don't know how much back, but I don't know if you can see my Discord. Come on. Oh my god, Discord is trying to be difficult with me. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, let me just go to the Discord server. Okay. They launched a new update with think 3 new cars. I'm not sure. Well, so how to get a lot of money if you start the game. You go here to settings. If you're on mobile, you just tap settings. You click this, click Twitter codes, and type in 100 mil. And then just click submit. So that works, and you get a Mustang right here. Guys, I am not lying to you. I have $93,000 because I spent a lot of it. And I was on the police stand because I just wanted to get a little bit of money, because I set in my mind, like, at least have to have it. Who doesn't? By the way, people, I hate screencast on that. It is so laggy no matter what. This video might not be laggy because I put it in 180p. Or it might still be laggy though. I clicked on my settings and I was like, 180p? Well, I looked at 720 first. I was like, that would be better, but is there 180p? And then I clicked on 180p because you probably see my whole entire screen. Probably see. Come on! This is what I'm talking about, laggers. People, make sure to join my Discord server. I do not know how to link it, but my Discord server is called, I think it's, what is it called? It's called the Awesome Server, everybody. It is the Awesome Server. So, my username is Turtle Power, and so make sure to join this and tell me. I tried to download OBS, and I'm not kidding, I did. But I tried to do it. Oh my god. It's so much stupid. What the heck just happened? There's a duck out there. I was under my car. Huh. Okay. Do not whatever you do, do not download this. If you have a high-end PC, it might not. I do not have the best PC in the world, but it is from 2021. I have a Core i3 with... Wait. It's a fruit. No idea. But, come on. Please load. There. I don't know. I think so everybody, I think I might change my profile if I can find another one that I can put on there. So see you guys in the next video, everybody. Peace out, everybody.